In this video, I will show you how to clear system storage on Android phone. First, launch open settings on your device. Now scroll down and find the option of device care. Go ahead and tap on it. Here, find the option of storage and tap on it. Now select show more to see how your storage is being used. You will see a breakdown of the storage on your device, including your apps and system data. Keep in mind that system storage can include operating files, system files, updates, and other required data, so it cannot always be cleared manually. Now go back to main settings, and here select the option of software update. Tap on download and install or check for updates, then check whether the update is available. Keeping your phone updated can help ensure you're running the latest software. After that, return to settings and select apps. Scroll through your installed apps and choose an app that you no longer use. If you don't need it, you can simply tap on the uninstall option to free up storage. For apps that you do need, you can also check the storage information. Then tap on the storage option, then tap on clear cache. Do this for all the appropriate application. Then return to your storage settings and check how much space you have freed up. That's how you can free up storage and reduce unnecessary data on your phone. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.